welcome to Nonna's garden.
Benvenuti al giardino di Nonna.
Today we are going to be making gnocchi, a very popular Italian dish. But what makes it special? This is Nonna's recipe. This video is in English, but Italian is spoken. I'll either translate or there will be captions below.
Pronta? Ok. Robin Hood flour, farina Robin Hood, wheat semolina, sarebbe la semolina di corno, ok? Di Granturco, ecco. Quella italiana, dalla Calabria, questa qua, è semola di grano duro. Adesso mettiamo... Queste sono patate, Yukon gold potato con yam. E la metto dentro questa farina. Adesso i gnocchi sono di patate, però mi piace che ci sono le proteine e quindi io ci aggiungo la ricotta di campagna, ok? Ricotta di campagna, qua. È 1 chilo, mettiamo mezzo chilo, Amalgamare, amalgamare farina, patate e ricotta. Okay?
So we are mixing it all together.
All together, ok? Ci vuole un po' di forza. Ci vuole un po' di forza per mischiare, no?
Wow, look at this, a big pile.
Big pile, ma adesso si deve amalgamare. Se tu non metti la semola di grano
You
duro,
don't put semolina?
butti semolina, meno yam. Yes,
Less
less yam. Se metti grano duro,
If you put the durum.
more yam.
Okay. Nonna
quando-
knows, she doesn't need a recipe.
Vale la pena. You don't find this gnocchi nowhere. Because need so much work.
Yep. But how long can you store it in the fridge before you use the dough?
30 minutes or more, doesn't
Like
matter.
how many days?
No, no days. You gotta do it right away and put it in the
So
freeze.
this dough, well,
This another 3-4 hours when you want, you know.
yeah. So Nonna, give tips. What are some tips when doing that? How do you roll it?
Easy. Don't push too much now, you know, because they will become long.
Did you use a rolling pin?
No, nothing. Now, again,
Ok,
adesso
provo
tu
io.
tagli. Ok, guarda. And, così. Fai così, guarda. Fai piano piano, piano piano. Guarda, fai così.
Aspetta, aspetta.
Com'è bello? Com'è bello? Empty inside. Così.
Maybe you can use a fork instead of this.
Or if you want, you can use a fork. No, no, guarda. You want, use a fork, but still you gotta push, eh? Ecco.
There we go. You do have to push quite a bit. Now, I would say this wood block is worth it. How much did you pay for this,
Look.
Nonna?
But nothing, a couple of dollars. Look, do this.
You really want it to be rounded.
Yeah, sure, because it's supposed to be empty, eh? No, super sound, eh?
Yeah.
They make gnocchi, but they put potato and flour, that's it. But so much flour. Ecco. Start piano piano così, guarda.
So, Nonna, what was the first time you made gnocchi?
Maybe 50 years ago.
Do you remember?
Yeah. Per me era così difficile, mamma mia, quando lavoro. Invece poi, con la pratica,
Okay, everyone, here is the finished dish. We have gnocchi, we have Nonna's homemade tomato sauce, we have Parmigiano cheese, and
meatball for salt.
also 2 carrots.
Buon appetito a tutti, buon appetito a tutti.
See you in the next episode.